In this video, I'll show you how to do a path trace of a picture that was taken in a JPEG and create it into a line to cut it from VStudio. So we need to go to File, we need to import the shape. So you just need to find out where your shape is. So I will use this one here. As you can see, it's a JPEG. And just click and drag the size you need. Come up to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, High Quality Image. So from here, where it says Settings, I will remove color from entire image. Go to Colors, and what we need to make sure that the color mode is a black and white only. With any other colors, the bleed will be not a smooth shape. So just make it a black and white. So the image you're bringing in needs to be fairly high quality, and if you can get a black and white, it's even better. Press OK. So as you can see, this is our desired shape. You might want to clean this up by moving some shapes. So we can go into the shaping tool and click and drag if you need to, or modify as needed, or you may just want to delete some nodes. So clicking and dragging, hitting the delete button, so just to smooth things out, basically as you need. Once again, File, you need to export, not save. Put it where you need, so I'll call this one Test 2. Make sure that it is a PLT, otherwise you'll never find it. Export. Okay. So from here, I will import this into VStudio. Okay, so now that we've opened up the Create part of VStudio, we just go to the Openings tab and Clip Art, and go to the desired effect. If you've saved it to a USB key, you can scroll down to other drives, but I saved this into the PLT library, so it was called Test 2. Open, and there's the shape we created. So from here, if you want to cut it, you leave it as normal cut. I can hit the drop down bar and make it decor, so we'll draw this shape. I can resize this by typing in here. Main proportion is always good if you're tracing something. So if I make that 100, proportion will stay.